Hello, we are doing CBSE 2025 board paper. In this question, a school has organized some cultural event, so they have rent some table and chair. So the rent of each chair is rupees 50 and the rent of each table is rupees 200. The total school spent 30,000 for renting table and chair, and the number of table and chairs which are rented are 300. So X is given for the chairs as a variable and Y is given for the table. If the school rent X chair and Y tables, answer the following. Write down the pair of linear equations represent the information. As we know, the number of chairs X plus Y which are rented are 300. So first equation is very easy. And each chair cost 50 rupees, so 50x plus 200y equals to 30,000. For the second part, we need to find the number of table and chair rented by the school. So 50x plus 200y equals to 30,000. Divide this whole equation by 50. So you will be getting x plus 0054 4y again 0056 equal to 600, and the first equation is x plus y equals to 300. Subtracting both by using elimination, 3y equal to 300, so y comes out to be 100. As you know the value of y now, you can easily calculate by substituting y in this equation to get the value of x. By substituting y, x plus 100 is equal to 300, so x comes out to be 200. So the number of chairs are 200 and the table are 100. Tables are 100. The or part of it, if the school wanted to spend maximum 27,000 on 300 items, then find the number of chairs and table it can be rented. So school want to spend only 27,000 now. So 50x plus 200y is now equal to 27,000 instead of 30,000, because previously it spent 30,000, but now they want to spend only 27,000, and the total number of items are 300. Now again divide the above equation by 50, 50 and 50. So you will get x plus 4y equal to, again 0 0 cancel, 2 5s are 25 and 2 4s are 20, 540. Using this equation and elimination, x plus y equals to 300. So 3y, subtraction here, 3y is equal to 240, so y comes out to be 80. Again substituting the value of y over here, what you will get, x plus 80 equal to 300, so x comes out to be 220. So 220 chairs and 80 tables. So the last part of this question, now what is the maximum number of tables that can be rented in 30,000? Now there are only tables which are going to be rented, no chair is rented. So cost of each table is 200 and 30,000. All the amount is using for renting the table itself. So y equal to 30 divided by 200, 0 0 0 0 cancel, so 150. So number of tables which can be rented in 30,000 is 150.